Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to turn on calls notifications on WhatsApp. Keeping up with your messages and calls is important, so let's get started. First, grab your Android device and head to the settings. Once you're in the settings, look for the option labeled Notifications. This is where you'll be able to customize which apps can send you notifications. Next, scroll down until you find WhatsApp in the list of apps. Tap on WhatsApp to access its notification settings. Within the WhatsApp notification settings, you'll see an option to show notifications. Make sure this option is turned on so that you'll receive notifications for calls on WhatsApp. And that's it. You've successfully turned on calls notifications for WhatsApp. Now you'll never miss an important call again. Remember, staying connected is important, so make sure to keep your notifications on for all your important apps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.